Okay, so after analyzing few things, I noticed a few things in this particular question, guys. Okay, so if you observe carefully, are there any repetitions here, guys? So for this, you need to concentrate, guys, because I did it multiple times, but I'm doing the same silly mistake again. So even in examination also, I did these silly mistakes. Okay, yes. I thought DAG is a really an easy topic, but it is being a tough topic, right? Now you understood, right? Yes. Okay, so what are we doing here, guys? So A is equals to B plus C. C is equals to A plus D. Means what it is exactly? It is a nothing but a B plus a C plus a D, right? Yes. Okay. Similarly, D is equals to B plus a C. So the thing which you should observe here is so here I am performing a B plus a C, right? Yes. So here also I am performing B plus a C. Okay, so if you observe what is the thing here, guys, so basically the B value is exactly same, but the C value will be updated here, right? Yes, because this you will get a new value, right? So it will not be the old value. Okay, so observe that thing. Similarly, the next thing is E is equals to D minus B. Okay, okay, so if you want me to expand this also, I can expand it. So it is a nothing but a B plus a B plus a C plus a D, right? So I think one more C will come plus a C. Or did I have any mistake? So B plus this C is a whole this thing, right? Yes, so there's no need of another C, right? Yes. Okay, so what is this? This is a D minus B. So B is a constant from the first itself. So this is a D. So D is nothing but the above one. So B plus a B plus a C plus a D minus a B, right? Sorry, minus a B, right? Yes. So similarly, moving on to A. So A is a nothing but E plus a B. So what is a E? E is a nothing but the above one. So B plus a B plus a C plus a D minus a B plus a B. So I think I can cancel this B and this B and this B and this B. Okay. Yes. So let me write down those expressions again, guys. So A is equals to B plus a C. C is equals to B plus a C plus a D. D is equals to 2B plus a C plus D. Similarly, E is equals to how many B's, guys? So B plus a C plus a D. And similarly, A is equals to 2B plus a C plus a D. So after this whole analysis, did you observe anything here, guys? So if you concentrate carefully, this is a B plus a C plus a D. This is also B plus a C plus B, D, right? Yes. So this is a 2B plus a C plus a D. This is also 2B plus a C plus D. So now you understood, right? So what is the silly mistake which we are doing? So basically here two nodes are exactly the same, guys. Got it? Yes. So when we have solved it initially, so we got how much, guys? So we got 8 nodes and 10 branches or 10 edges, you can say, right? Yes. So how many are same, guys? So 2 are identical, like 2 pairs. Means I need to subtract 2 from here. I will get 6 here, and 2 pairs will be connected to 2 things, right? So each one will be connected to 2 things. So now this will be 4. So the result should be 6 and 6. So what we have initially thought is absolutely correct, guys. Okay, so now you understood, right? So I have shown you like how we are going to prove it. Okay, yes. So now most of the students are okay. So you have understood what exactly we did the mistake, right? Yes. So now few students are like, okay, so we understood the mistake which we did. So now can you at least draw this particular DAG for this so that we can understand like how to construct it. Okay, yes. So once you have solved in this way, you expand it, guys. So this is the approach which I understood after seeing multiple examples online, guys. Okay, yes, because previously also I used to draw directly. I'll be using this approach, and this is the exact mistake which I did in GATE 2021 also. I did this exact question, like a DAG question has come and I have did a mistake in it. Okay, yes. Okay, so now you understood, right? So once you have done with this, so now concentrate, guys. I am going to add B and C. So B, so let me draw it from the bottom so it's visible, right? Yes. So B and C I will add, okay, I will add and store it in A. Okay, yes. So now this statement is done. Okay, so now I will take this B plus A result. So let me write it here also. So B plus a C. Okay, so now I will take this B plus a C result and I am going to add a D to it and I am going to write C here. Okay, and the funny part here is so B plus C plus D. So this exact result I am going to add it again. So indirectly this is not a solo E, guys. Solo C. It is along with E. Got it? Yes. Okay. Similarly, so now this step is also done indirectly, right? Yes. So now the next step is 2B plus C plus D. Okay. So now I need 2B. So what is this? So this expression is nothing but a B plus a C plus a D. So now I need one more B to add to this. So now I added that b. So now this is a nothing but a d comma a. So both of those values are same, right? Yes. So that expression is a nothing but a 2b plus a c plus a d. Got it? Yes. So now you can count, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 nodes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 edges. Got it? Yes. So now you understood, right? So how to solve this question carefully? Yes. Okay. So this is also a lesson for me. I should practice this DAG question again, guys. Okay. Yes. So this DAG is really important because it has come recently, right? Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? Yes. I think there is 1 or 2 more questions like this. So we'll be solving them in detail. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. Okay. So most probably I'll be combining the previous video and this video, guys, because I break the video into 2 pieces. Like I recorded at 2 different times. Okay. Yes. So I will make sure that I will combine them. If I forget it, so if you didn't watch the previous lecture, it will be the previous video in the playlist, guys. Okay. You should check the playlist. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.